Hi everyone, welcome. I hope that you're doing really well today. Today I'm coming to you with my week in review and I have some really fun things to talk to you about, but I'm also going to try, I haven't decided, I'm going to try to do 5 things a week, but it might end up being 10. I'm just saying. Y'all know I like to talk about makeup. So let me get things together really quick and I'll be back. Okay, so I grabbed some things together. I actually have it down to 5, believe it or not, down to 5. These are the things that impressed me the most, or I had the most fun at playing around with, or it was just new to me and I wanted to get a feel for it before I used it and to get ready with me. I think I'd really like to start doing that a little bit more. I mean, first impressions are great. I actually just taped one for a new mascara, but there's some things that I really want to be able to give you more feedback. So it'll be a little more equal, first impressions and a little more of a mini review, if you will. Let's talk some foundations. I recently placed my second order with BH Cosmetics and I wanted to try their foundation. I had heard some really good things about it. I am always so doubtful. I don't know why I'm like that. It's like, prove it to me. Prove it to me that you're a good foundation. So I did order, I ordered actually 4 colors. This one is Rosy Beige. Pretty sure this is a nice little, I think it's glass or it's really good plastic container. It has a handy dandy pump. This is amazing. I mean, blow my socks off. What? Amazing. Really impressed with this foundation. It goes on really smoothly. It's very flattering to your skin, whether you have really good skin or if you have some issues with your skin, aging skin. It looks so pretty. I called Jack in here. I said, look at my face. And he's like, okay, look at my foundation. He said, well, that's really nice. He said, did you get something new at Sephora? No. I spent very, very little on this foundation from BH Cosmetics. Really impressed with this. Glad I have it. Beautiful. It's just beautiful. This is just the BH foundation in Naturally Flawless. And that is what your skin looks like. Naturally Flawless. It's not matte. I don't even think I would call it a semi-matte. It's just very natural looking. Makes you look like you have really super healthy, flawless skin. I just amazed. Really amazed. I'm really amazed with it. This is their Studio Pro Concealer. Comes in a little squeezy tube. It has this kind of an applicator, very similar to if you have an eye cream. That kind of an applicator, almost identical. This is very nice. This is very flattering, even for us mature ladies, gentlemen. It is very flattering. It doesn't look like a heavy concealer, but it does have really nice coverage. So this week, I have been really enjoying this concealer. I really had wanted to try this foundation. This is the Hard Candy Glamoflauge. When I got this, they only had ivory. Look how, I am fair. I am super fair. Look how light this is though. I mean, it was way too light for me. I do really appreciate that they have such a light shade. I mean, look how fair. A lot of pink undertones, but when I got it home and I realized how light it was, I was like, there is no way I can wear that. So I thought, what do I have in my collection that I could make it darker, but I didn't want anything that was thick. So I grabbed this. This is my LA Girl Pro Coverage, which I really do enjoy this foundation also. So I mixed these together. Oh my gosh. I was in love. I just did it yesterday. I was in love. It wore all day. It didn't settle into anything all day. It looked wonderful. You know when you have your foundation that doesn't enhance anything, you do not want enhanced. It just looks so good, so amazing all day. It's like you have a higher step. You know what I mean? It makes you feel better. And that's what these two together did. And I'm not saying go buy these so you can mix them. I'm just saying don't be afraid to mix your products. I know so many of us will go out and I watch Mary's video and she tried this foundation and I go get it and it just doesn't work for me. I'm going to try mixing it with something else I have. See, you know, see what kind of a little foundation cocktail or concealer, or I mix eyeshadows all the time. I mix everything actually, but this was gorgeous together. I do want to add, because that's what I do. When I was out and about yesterday, the Walmart that I was at had a darker one. I got light in 933. This is 932. I guess it's just one shade darker, but it looks a lot darker, right? And I tried using these together this morning, and it was a very heavy foundation using just these. So these would be mixers for my lighter foundation, like to mix with my L'Oreal, the True Match Lumi. It doesn't have enough coverage for me, and it doesn't last a long time for me. So mixing, you know, these together would be fabulous. I just have no doubt it would be fabulous. Also, concealer wise, I just had to try these. I couldn't resist anymore. These are the Urban Decay All-Nighter Concealers. I heard that a lot of people compared them to like Shape Tape, and I love Shape Tape, so I thought I would give them a try. This one is in Light Warm, and this one is in Fair Neutral. And I like to get them and mix them because this has enough yellow that it's going to help hide some of my blue, some of my veinage I have going on. And then this one is just really pretty to brighten. And I really do like these. If you kind of like Shape Tape, but you felt like it made you look a little drier, then I would definitely check into these. They're a little pricey, but I really do like them. And you don't get half as much as you do with the Shape Tape, I don't think. I mean, in the Urban Decay, you have 0.12 fluid ounce. And in the Shape Tape, you have 0.338 fluid ounces. So, and I think they're about the same price. Yeah. Okay, and then I'm going to share two eye palettes with you that are new that I did use this week. The first one is the NARSissist palette. This is the Wanted palette. And here are the colors. Really pretty. This is the first NARSissist palette that I've really bitten into and decided. The colors were just absolutely gorgeous. I like the way they put in some mattes for, you know, we have a matte brow bone color. We have some nice matte transition shades. We have some matte crease colors, even a couple darker colors that are mattes. And then we have some beautiful, beautiful shimmer. Have this on my lid today. This color right here, that is my favorite. I'm just really drawn to that color. It reminds me kind of the pink champagne. It's really a beautiful palette. I've enjoyed it. The other palette that is new to me is this House of Lashes and Sephora collection. I think the packaging is so adorable. And that's not why I bought it, but I think the packaging is so adorable. Since I do have some lashes that I've really been enjoying and I wear them twice, maybe even 3 times, I do like the little pull-out drawer where you can store your lashes. I did get a tube, full-size tube of House of Lashes lash glue. I have heard this is like industrial strength, so I'm a little afraid to wear it. I'll stick with my Revlon and my Kiss for now. And then you open it up, and instead of a little ballerina popping up and dancing, we have these eyeshadow shades. Now there are 2 different palettes. The other one, instead of the green here, has some blues. These are really pretty. Once again, a really nice variation of mattes and sheen. I really do like the way they put these colors in here together. I came up with a really pretty green eye look the other day with these 2 colors. I really enjoyed doing it. The pigmentation is right there. It is beautiful. It lasts all day. I had no problem with creasing, flaking away, or anything. But during application, I would suggest that you do your eyes first, your foundation second, Even though I do tap off my brush, I did have a lot of fallout with this product. The dark green especially was really heavy fallout. But the color stayed on my lid. It was beautiful. I really enjoyed it. Sephora House of Lashes collection. It has the little names there on the back. And I think that's it. I think that's everything that was on my face. Thank you all so much for watching and hanging out with me for a little while. I hope that you have a really good day. Have a wonderful start to your week. Tomorrow is, I think, probably everybody's first full week after the holidays. So I hope that you have a really good start to your week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.